This video is to demonstrate how to use the AVR ISP 500 Programmer from Olimex to program Arduino board. The first step is look at your Arduino board, the ICSP header. On the top left there's a dot, and that indicates that the pin 1 is the top left, first row, left side. And with the programmer cable, there's a red line indicates that will need to be in line with the first pin 1. So we're going to plug it in. Yep, so orientation is important. Then we're going to connect the programmer with the USB cable. Next step, we're going to configure the Arduino sketch, and in Arduino IDE, go to Tools, choose the board we're using, AVR board. Now I use Arduino Uno. Then you go to port and choose the port, in this case COM5. Choose the programmer. The program using is STK500 development board. If you want to burn bootloader, you can click on here and then burn the bootloader. If you want to upload the sketch, go to Sketch, Upload using Programmer. Click. The idea of using Programmer is basically bypass the bootloader. You can install the program directly.